Hey there! Are you worried of your videos looking dull and light? So today I am going to reveal the secret of adding HDR in CapCut. So here I choose this clip. You need to import the clip that you want to edit, and then in the toolbar search for adjust, tap on it, and then here you see the option graphics. Tap on it. Now here we need to move what's currently at the bottom to the top and what's at the top to the bottom. And we need to apply the same method with all the 4 colors. And once it is done, move to the next step, which is to add effects. So from here in the toolbar, click on effects and now go to video effects. So in lens category, there is blur effect. Tap on it and OK. Now the blur effect is applied. Once the effect applied, match it with the video and then tap on adjust here and increase the blur effect to 100. That's it for the first step. Now just export this video and all good. Now import the clip which is without editing. So this is the clip added here. Now tap on overlay and add the overlay video that we just added and adjust it in the frame. Now tap on the overlay clip and go to blend. Here you see the option color burn and then decrease the intensity to 30. Tap on OK. Now the next step is to add another overlay. Tap on overlay and now go to stock videos. Choose the clip of white color. Now rotate that white screen and adjust it in the frame. Adjust in this way so all the background is covered with this overlay. Once it is done, go to blend and here choose this option overlay and decrease the intensity to 67. So once it is done, click on OK. Hold on, it's not finished yet. A little more setting just left. So tap on the main track and now go to adjust. Here you need to decrease the contrast to -5 and then saturation at 25. Next exposure to 5 and the sharpen effect to 25, and in HSL saturation need to increase to 10 and then highlight -15 and then shadow to -6. Once you are done, tap on OK and this is how the video looks like. And here I also want to give a big shout out to CapCut for providing us with the tools to bring this tutorial to life. With your newfound knowledge and skills, there is no limit to what you can create. So go ahead, experiment and let your creativity soar. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting content. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for joining us on this journey to HDR greatness. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries and making your videos shine. Bye!